Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add testimonial slider in any Shopify store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to add testimonial in your Shopify online store without any app, without any third-party script, then you can continue this video. Here I am going to share step-by-step guideline so that you can easily add testimonial slider in your Shopify store. But before that, I want to say something about importance of testimonial. What is the benefit to add testimonial in Shopify store? Testimonial can provide social proof that your product or service are worth purchasing. Potential customers are more likely to trust the opinion of people just like them over company representative. Having testimonial on Shopify store can help build trust with potential customer and encourage them to buy. So I hope you understand the importance of add testimonial in your Shopify store. But in general, you cannot add testimonial slider if you have started your store with done themes. So let's go back the main point. Here is one of my client website and you can see that I have added a testimonial slider in here, and it's so easy and dynamic to use. I have added this testimonial slider in done theme, and right now I'm going to the backend so that you can understand how you can easily use it. Okay, here is the backend and you can see that here is a section named testimonial, and under this section there are options to add testimonial. And when I click in any testimonial, for example I am going to click on the Michael, this testimonial, and here you can easily upload the client profile image, a customer profile image, customer name, customer's info, and customer comment. And it's super easy, you can change anything from here. And now the question is that how you will get this testimonial code or how you can implement it. Okay, don't worry about that because I have already published an article on my website e-commerce thesis. Here I already published this article, how to add testimonial slider to any Shopify store without app, and you have to just go to my e-commerce thesis website in this article and you will find the total guideline how you can add this code. So it's super easy, you no need to type any code, just copy and paste and implement in your store. You will get the total direction in this article, and I will share this article link in the video description. So just take a few minutes to check out the link in the video description and copy and paste and implement on your store and get the results. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress, Shopify and SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.